Alright, welcome to a new Age Rainster video, and today we're gonna go over the Ferrari 348 challenge as well as the Ferrari 355 challenge. So both of them, this is the third V8 mid-engine Ferrari car. This is the fourth V8 mid-engine Ferrari car. This is the first ever Ferrari challenge. Following the it's basically the first, and this is the second version. And so they're both yellow. They're both from Tarmac Tarmac Exo model. Exo, I don't know how you spell that, but yeah, the Ferrari 348 challenge and 355 challenge. So first off, in the box, there's a little bit of a color change. We'll see that later on, but box wise they're the same. I love the new Tarmac boxes where you can actually see the car on the left side as well as the right side, and on the top, the back, so you can see the car from every angle and therefore see if there's any defects. I love this box. There's no baiting. There's literally no hiding the fact that there's huge damage. For example, from here I can see that there's a little scratch on my rear bumper of the 348 challenge. But hey, it happens. So yeah, let's go for the 348 challenge first. Yeah. There you go. Ooh. Alright, so first I want to just take a look at the box. So it's T64R082 yellow. This is T64R083 yellow, so they're both the same color. They're supposed to be the same color at least. And yeah, following each other in numbers. There you go. Here is the car. Let's see if I can remove that black stain. No, I can't. Okay. It's a shame, but hey, this one is pretty stock, I'd say, as a challenge race car. I have the red one right here, and you can see right here, this 348 challenge had different rims, as you can see. This one has more road car rims. This has the P0 Pirelli rims, tires, sorry. But the rims look cooler on this new yellow model, as they're a bit more gray blackish, rather than silver, with the 5-spoke here that is a bit in the form of star. Here it's a regular 5-spoke, which I prefer. Unfortunately, no sponsors on that yellow one, which really looks like a road car, which is kind of my cup of tea. I like it. It really looks stock, but it has that low stance and that challenge race car vibe. The 348 is not my favorite model, but there's some things I like from this Tarmac one. As you can see, there's the fire extinguisher right there inside. That's in silver manual gearbox, and black seats with red harness, with a red racing harness. So that's pretty cool. The red one had red seats with red racing harness. I think Tarmac are doing great seats now, so I'm gonna keep an eye on them. Let me just put this red one back where it's supposed to be, and yeah, let's unscrew it. Should we unscrew it? I mean, let's just leave it there, and let's just unbox the 355 first. There you go. There you go. Oh, well. Oops. And there it is, the Ferrari 355 challenge. So this one is not the Modificato. So it has that rear wing, which yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it. It works. It's pretty nice. So here on the license plate, it's written Pirelli. It doesn't have Pirelli branding on the tires, but it has a Pirelli logo right there. And on the front license plate, where it should be, there's another Pirelli logo and this kill switch above, which the 348 does not have. So pretty interesting. So a little bit more Pirelli branding, but still looks quite stock. I like it. The base does not look exactly the same. As you can see, there's that white line on the 355, which represents the white wheels. But the Tarmac logo is also white, and I feel like the yellow is slightly different. I don't know about you guys, but I feel it is slightly different. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like the look of the 348. Like, I don't like the generation of the 348, but it looks really nice in this Tarmac colorway, and looks pretty stock. I like it. Anyways, the 355 Challenge, this one has red seats with a red racing harness and a silver manual gearbox with a matte black. Is it just plastic? It looks matte, but it's just plastic dash. So yeah, pretty neat. The tail lights are not completely straight on the left side. On the right side they are. On the left side they're not completely, how do I say, there's one tail light that's dipped a little lower than the other one. Is this right one right here? But I like it. I like it. Let's unscrew them. Let's see if I can find a screwdriver. I found a screwdriver. Let's remove the 348 first. There you go. 348. Well, there you go. Here it is. It does not roll quite well as I expected. The rear wheels do roll a bit better, but yeah, no, this is not a car that's made to roll. So the base is plastic, pretty basic, 348 Challenge base. Nothing real special. So yeah, just to give you a look of what it looks stance wise, it looks like that. Let's unbox 355. We might as well while I'm here. Here you go. 355 Challenge. There you go. This one rolls way better. Okay, the front wheel not as much, but wow, look at this. Yeah, it rolls way better. There's no real pores on the paint job, which is pretty nice. It looks pretty good. And the stance is pretty decent. So yeah, it does not really roll. Same for the 348. But hey, they look really nice, and I'm gonna keep them for my Ferrari collection. Because these are basically classic challenge cars, the 348 being the first. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this Tarmac video. I'd rate the 348 Challenge a 9, and the 355 an 8.5. They're pretty decent, but I think you can get better. I genuinely think you can get better. The interior is really nice. Tarmac is really doing better on these interior designs. But at the end of the day, they cost around $20 US, which I don't know if it's still worth it. With the QC being a little questionable on this 348 with this damage right here. Yeah. Yep. So, yeah. Anyways, there it is. The 348 Challenge and the 355 Challenge. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. And see you guys in another video. Bye-bye.